Okay, here we are, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, here in Foley Square. Today, Monday, November 20th, 2023. Another week begins, and we're covering the courts. First, a little crypto report. Today, many people said that Sam Bankman-Fried's post-trial motions after his conviction as crypto criminal, you can find that book, were due today. Well, he got an extension. He managed, I think, he asked on Friday, and on over the weekend, it was approved. And so it'll be coming, and when it comes, we'll cover it. The civil case of SEC versus Terraform Labs and Kwon, this is a case. We live tweeted the proceeding of the various experts duking it out of who will be testifying and allowed to testify at the trial in January. It's a big one, and the question arose whether Kwon himself will be there. He's now probably going to be extradited out of Montenegro, but it's unclear if it'll be to the United States here, where there's a criminal case awaiting him, or to South Korea. So we're on that one as well. There are two trials beginning, although because it's a truncated week by Thanksgiving, it may just be jury selection. In fact, in one case, I know that it is. It's Azocar. It's a Venezuelan narco trafficker. His trial, which we've been covering, we got an order at least unsealing his financial affidavit. Jury selection is today. Also the case of Ellison and Joyner. Well, Ellison, who was in the Tekashi69 case, Ellison was convicted there, but now there's a case about bribery within the jails, and that jury selection is beginning today in courtroom 110 behind me in 40 Foley. But now there's a Trump thing. You can't really see it because there's very few photographers out in front of it. But what I'll tell you is that the mistrial motion was denied. That's going to go up on appeal, and now it's just a bunch of experts and whatnot in there. So, of course, there's that. We're seeking to push this appeal of the sealing of every single sentencing letter of Sebastian Greenwood of OneCoin. Now, Konstantin Ignatov is now up for sentencing in February. But what about those letters? How could they all be sealed? So we're seeking pro bono appellate counsel. That said, at the United Nations, we reported exclusively that the head of the UN office in Vienna, Ghada Waly, is the subject of internal bogus UN investigations. Nevertheless, she was extended. Why? Because she comes from Egypt, and Antonio went to suck up to Egypt. Okay, to be continued. Inner City Press.